Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Netflix account password, step by step, of course. So let's get started. We go and open our Netflix account. And after opening your Netflix account, you need to click on your avatar. For me, it's a blue icon on the top right of the screen. After that, you need to click on account. And as you will see now, you can see all your informations and all the details about your account. Of course, I will hide mine. And you can see change password. You click on change password. And as you can see now, you need your current password, your actual password, and also the new passwords. And of course, after changing your password, you can sign out all of devices. If you want this, you just need to check this option, and after that, when you will change your password, all the devices connected now to Netflix will be disconnected, and they need to enter the new password in order to open your account again. I hope that you like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our account, and see you in the next one.